Want to stop Temu alerts from appearing on your Android phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you the reliable system-level switch that blocks every Temu notification without deleting the app or changing your shopping account. We'll use the app icon, so you won't need to open any account page. Start from your home screen. Swipe up from the bottom to open the app screen, where all installed apps are listed. Your app screen may have more than one page. If Temu is not on the first page, swipe sideways until you see the orange Temu icon. Press and hold the Temu icon for about 1 second. A shortcut menu will appear above it. Do not tap uninstall. Look for the small information icon near the top right corner of this shortcut menu. Tap that information icon. Android now opens the app info page specifically for Temu. This page controls what the app can do on your phone. Under the privacy heading, find the row labeled notifications. Its current status says allowed, which confirms that Temu can still send alerts. Tap the notifications row to open the detailed notification controls. On the Temu notifications page, the main control at the top is labeled Show Notifications. When this switch is blue and positioned to the right, notifications are enabled. Below it, Android may also show choices such as Allow sound and vibration, Deliver quietly, App icon badges, and notification categories. Those options only change how alerts behave. The top Show Notifications switch is the one that stops them completely. Tap the switch beside Show Notifications once. It turns gray and moves to the left. The other notification choices immediately become unavailable, which is the visible confirmation that Android has blocked Temu notifications. This does not uninstall Temu, sign you out, remove anything from your cart, or affect orders. It only prevents the app from posting alerts until you turn this switch on again. Let's quickly repeat the path so it is easy to remember. Return to your app screen, locate Temu, then press and hold the orange Temu icon. Tap the information icon, choose Notifications on the app info page, and check that Show Notifications is switched off. If you ever want Temu alerts again, return to this same screen and turn the switch back on. That's how to turn off Temu notifications on Android. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more clear Android tutorials. Thanks for watching.